Hey, gorgeous. Ever felt busy all day but achieved nothing? Emails, meetings, errands, and at the end of the day, you wonder, where did the time go? We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to take control of your time and accomplish those big, juicy goals you've been dreaming of? Today, I'm revealing a productivity plan that will transform the way you work. If you're ready to boost your productivity, hit the subscribe button now, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like for more helpful tips. Let's get real, beautiful. Time is our most precious resource. It's the one thing we all wish we had more of, yet it's the one thing we can't create more of. Every second counts, and how we choose to spend those seconds can make a world of difference in our lives. We can't create more of it, but we can definitely learn how to use it more effectively. By mastering the art of time management, we can achieve more, stress less, and find a better balance in our daily lives. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Efficiency is key, and with the right strategies, you can maximize your productivity without burning out. One technique I love is the Pomodoro technique. This method is a fantastic way to maintain focus and momentum throughout your workday. This method breaks down your work into 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. These short bursts of productivity can help you stay on task and avoid distractions. It's a game changer for productivity. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you know a break is just around the corner. You'd be surprised how much you can get done when you know a break is just around the corner. It keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Even Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla and SpaceX, manages his workload by meticulously planning his day in tiny increments. He breaks his day into 5-minute slots to ensure every moment is used effectively. If that feels too structured, try time blocking. This technique allows for more flexibility while still keeping you on track. Block out specific chunks of time in your day or week for certain tasks. This way you can focus on one type of work at a time without constantly switching gears. For example, block out Monday mornings for creative work, Tuesday afternoons for meetings, and so on. This helps you stay organized and ensures that you dedicate time to all the important areas of your life. The key is to experiment with different techniques and find what feels best for you. Everyone's workflow is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to time management. The goal is to find a system that helps you stay productive, reduces stress, and allows you to enjoy your life to the fullest. We live in an amazing time with incredible technology at our fingertips. The digital age has brought us a plethora of tools designed to make our lives easier and more efficient. There are powerful apps that can revolutionize the way you work and skyrocket your productivity. These apps are designed to help you manage your time, organize your tasks, and collaborate with others seamlessly. One of my all-time favorite productivity apps is Trello. Trello is incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes, from managing work projects to planning personal events. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize and prioritize your tasks. You can create different boards for different projects, and within those boards, you can create lists and cards to break down tasks into manageable steps. Think of it like a virtual whiteboard where you can create different boards for different projects or areas of your life. It's a great way to keep everything in one place and easily accessible. Another fantastic app is Asana, which offers similar features to Trello, but with a more robust set of project management tools. Asana is designed to help teams coordinate and manage their work more effectively. Asana is especially helpful for teams working on complex projects with multiple dependencies and deadlines. It allows you to break down projects into tasks, assign those tasks to team members, and set deadlines to ensure everything stays on track. You can create detailed project timelines, assign tasks to different team members, and track progress. This makes it easier to see what needs to be done and who is responsible for each task. But don't get overwhelmed by all the features. Start simple. Begin with the basics, and gradually explore more advanced features as you become more comfortable with the app. Choose one app that resonates with you, explore its features, and see how it can best support your workflow. Remember, the goal is to enhance your productivity, not complicate it. So take your time, experiment, and find what works best for you. Chapter 3. The Power of Prioritization. getting the right things done. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Prioritization is key to productivity and success. One powerful tool for prioritizing is the Eisenhower matrix, also known as the urgent important matrix. This tool helps you focus on what truly matters. It's a simple but effective framework that helps you categorize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Draw a 4-quadrant grid to get started. The vertical axis represents importance, ranging from not important at the bottom to important at the top. This helps you identify what truly matters. The horizontal axis represents urgency, ranging from not urgent on the left to urgent on the right. This helps you understand what needs immediate attention. Plot each task into one of the 4 quadrants. This visual representation helps you see where your focus should be. Urgent and important, immediate attention tasks like deadlines or crises. These are your top priorities. Important but not urgent. Tasks important for long-term goals without a pressing deadline. These are crucial for your growth and success. Urgent but not important. Distractions like unimportant emails or meetings. These can often be delegated or minimized. Not urgent, not important tasks you can probably eliminate, like mindless scrolling on social media. Freeing up this time allows you to focus on what truly matters. Chapter 4. Energy is everything, fueling your productivity fire. Productivity isn't just about systems and strategies, it's about you. Your energy, focus, and well-being amplify your productivity. Prioritize sleep. When you're well rested, you're sharper, more creative, and better equipped to handle challenges. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Hydration is key. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Keep a reusable water bottle on your desk and refill it regularly. Incorporate short bursts of movement throughout your day. Get up and stretch every hour, take a quick walk, or dance it out. Chapter 5. Real people, real results, productivity success stories. Do these productivity tips actually work in the real world? You bet they do. Let's look at some real-life examples. Oprah Winfrey credits much of her success to her morning routine, starting her day with meditation, journaling, and a workout. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, is a firm believer in time blocking, meticulously planning out his day. Arianna Huffington, founder of the Huffington Post, prioritizes sleep as a non-negotiable part of her daily routine. These successful people have harnessed the power of productivity to achieve their goals. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Prioritize your well-being and use the right tools and strategies. Make the most of your time and energy. So there you have it, gorgeous. My proven productivity plan to help you unlock your potential and achieve incredible things. Remember, it's not about doing it all perfectly. It's about taking one step at a time, experimenting with different techniques, and finding what works best for you. Now go out there and make it happen.